China has just unveiled an AI model that is set to redefine automation and productivity. If you thought DeepSeek was impressive, wait until you see Manus AI. This isn't just another chatbot. It's a general-purpose AI agent designed to handle multiple tasks efficiently and intelligently. In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know about Manus AI, how it works, and how you can use it to streamline your workflow like never before. Manus AI is unique because it combines the power of multiple AI tools into one highly capable system. Think of it as a blend of Perplexity, ChatGPT Operator, Claude Sonnet, and Llama, all working together as a single AI assistant. Instead of switching between different platforms for different tasks, Manus allows you to do it all in one place. You can conduct deep research, generate high-quality content, build and deploy websites, automate complex workflows, execute commands, and even manage projects without leaving the platform. Whether you're a developer looking to speed up coding, a content creator generating ideas, a business professional automating reports, or just someone who wants to boost productivity, Manus AI has the potential to revolutionize the way you work. Its advanced capabilities make it an all-in-one solution for AI-driven efficiency, giving users a level of automation and intelligence that was previously unimaginable. Even without logging in, you can explore Manus AI's capabilities directly on its website. It's designed to simplify complex tasks and automate research, making it an incredibly powerful tool for various applications. For example, if you're planning a trip to Japan in April, you can ask Manus AI to generate a detailed 7-day itinerary. The AI will browse the web, research places to visit, estimate costs, and compile a comprehensive travel guide. The results are saved as documents in an HTML preview, giving you a structured trip overview with dates, budgets, attractions, and even weather forecasts. It doesn't just suggest locations, it provides a day-by-day activity plan so you can maximize your experience. Another impressive use case is stock market analysis. Suppose you want an in-depth look at Tesla's stock performance. Manus AI can search for financial reports, compile relevant data, and generate a complete research document within seconds. It provides a detailed executive summary, financial performance breakdown, valuation insights, and trend analysis, all formatted into a professional web-based report. Instead of spending hours manually gathering information, you get an AI-powered financial assessment in moments. These are just a few examples of how Manus AI can handle complex tasks with ease, saving time and effort while delivering high-quality, actionable insights. Manus AI can also create interactive educational courses, making it a powerful tool for learning. For example, if you want to understand the momentum theorem, Manus AI will research the topic, compile essential information, and create a structured learning module. But it doesn't stop there. It can generate animations, interactive elements, and quizzes to help you grasp complex concepts visually. Whether you're interested in quantum physics, organic chemistry, artificial intelligence, or any other subject, Manus can customize a complete course tailored to your learning needs. Another standout feature is its ability to conduct comparative analysis. If you need to compare insurance policies, business trends, or market competitors, Manus can quickly gather relevant data, analyze key factors, and generate a professional report, all within minutes. The AI ensures that the information is well-structured and easy to understand, saving you hours of manual research. For professionals in sales and business development, Manus AI is also an effective lead generation tool. You can instruct it to gather potential clients from a specific website or industry, and it will search for relevant enterprise data, compile a structured table, and deliver an organized list of leads. This feature is particularly useful for freelancers, business owners, and marketers looking to streamline their client acquisition process. By automating these tasks, Manus AI becomes an invaluable asset for both learning and business efficiency. Manus AI is also a powerful tool for data analysis. If you participate in Kaggle machine learning competitions, you can input a dataset and Manus will generate a high-performing model that consistently ranks in the top 10% of competitors. It efficiently processes large datasets, identifies patterns, and produces accurate predictions within minutes, significantly reducing the time and effort required for data modeling. Beyond machine learning, Manus AI enhances productivity by automating complex tasks that typically require multiple tools. One impressive example is its ability to create interactive games. In a demonstration, it generated a role-playing simulation based on a political debate, where users could interact, choose responses, and observe how different scenarios unfold. This feature isn't just for entertainment. It can be used for training simulations, educational exercises, or even strategic decision-making. By combining data analysis, automation, and interactive AI-driven experiences, Manus AI showcases its versatility as a tool that can assist in research, business, education, and creative applications, all in one unified platform. Manus AI can also generate professional teleprompters, making it an essential tool for content creators and public speakers. If you need to read a script while recording a video, simply input your text, and Manus will create a smooth scrolling teleprompter that allows you to deliver your lines perfectly and naturally. This feature helps streamline video production, ensuring a flawless presentation without the need for memorization. Another exciting feature is podcast editing. If you upload a long-form podcast episode, Manus AI can analyze the transcript, identify key highlights, and generate a short teaser clip. This is especially useful for content creators who want to repurpose long content into engaging snippets for platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. Instead of manually reviewing hours of audio, Manus AI automates the process, allowing creators to maximize their reach with minimal effort. Manus AI even assists with brand identity design. For example, if you need a set of custom icons that match the style of a website like TechCrunch, Manus can analyze the design aesthetic and generate high-quality icons within minutes. Normally, creating a professional icon set would take hours or even days of design work. But with Manus, the entire process is automated, delivering polished and cohesive branding assets effortlessly. Whether you're in video production, podcasting, or branding, Manus AI provides an all-in-one automation powerhouse, helping creators and businesses save time while maintaining a high level of quality. What makes Manus AI truly unique is its ability to research, analyze, and generate content in real time, all within your browser. There's no need to install additional software, and it works seamlessly on your local system. By combining web browsing, content creation, data analysis, and automation into a single platform, Manus AI stands out as one of the most powerful AI assistants available today. But Manus AI isn't just for research and content generation, it's also an invaluable tool for software development. If you're a programmer, you can use Manus to generate code for your projects with minimal effort. Simply provide a prompt describing what you need, and Manus will write the code for you, eliminating the need to start from scratch. It supports multiple programming languages, including Python, JavaScript, C++, and more, making it versatile for different development needs. By automating tedious coding tasks, Manus AI can save developers hours of work, allowing them to focus on problem-solving and innovation rather than spending time on repetitive code writing. Whether you're a beginner looking for coding assistance or an experienced developer wanting to boost productivity, Manus AI provides a seamless and efficient solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.